In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion step by step for 235. If you've been using Evernote for a while and you're now switching over to Notion, you'll definitely want to bring your notes with you so you don't lose any important information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click inside Notion so you can connect your Evernote account and start importing your content in just a few minutes. First, open Notion on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want your Evernote notes to appear. At the very top right corner of the Notion window, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the full settings panel. This is where Notion groups all of the controls for your account, billing, workspace preferences, and tools like imports. It may open in a sidebar or a separate window, depending on your device, but the options will be the same. Inside the settings panel, find and click on the Import section. This is a dedicated area Notion provides for bringing in content from other apps. Here, you'll see a list of different services and file types that Notion can import from, such as other note-taking apps, files, and databases. In that list, locate Evernote. Click directly on Evernote to start the process. By doing this, you're telling Notion that you want to bring in content specifically from your Evernote account, rather than from another source. Once you've selected Evernote, you'll see a button or prompt that says Connect Evernote. Click on Connect Evernote. This will open a secure authorization window, usually in your browser, asking you to sign in to your Evernote account if you're not already logged in there. After signing in, follow the prompts to grant Notion permission to access your Evernote notes. This connection allows Notion to pull your content across. After you authorize the connection, Notion will begin importing your Evernote data into your workspace. Depending on how many notes you have, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process finish before closing Notion. Once it's done, you will see your imported Evernote content organized inside Notion, ready for you to rearrange, tag, or integrate into your existing pages.